Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys notification effects how to set on Poco mobile. Friends, you want to set your Poco phone notification effect setting. So friends, how to set and use notification effects on Poco phone in this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Poco phone. Friends, click on guys your Poco phone always on display and lock screen setting. Friends, you can see your always on display setting and notification effect setting here, and we will click on notification effects. Friends, you can see there are four effects for your notification. Friends, you can set according to yourself. Friends, you can see light up screen. Friends, you can see blue and red, and get this starlight. Friends, you want to set your notification effects. Friends, you can set your notification effects from here guys. Tap here. Friends, your notification effects, this animation will set on your lock screen and you can use it. And friends, you can see always on display setting. Friends, you want to on your Poco phone always on display setting. So when select any image and friends apply here, and then this will show on your lock screen. Friends, you can see always on display setting. Oh sorry friends, I did not on. Again friends, we will on it. This always on display first. Friends, first on your always on display setting and guys select here, apply here, and friends you can see this always on display setting, you can use it. So like the guy we can on this always on display setting friends, and friends we can on mean guy we can set notification effects on our Poco phone device. The guy this animation friends you want to set, so you can set from here guys. So like that we can use guys notification effect setting and always on display on Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.